Hey guys, it's your girl Niree. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know, since I have put up a YouTube video. I just been on Instagram, you know, doing reels and stuff. So if you don't follow me there, go follow me there. It's at Natural Niree. It's gonna be linked in the description box for you. So today I'm doing a braid and curl. I'm going to first blow dry my hair because I just feel like a lot of styles come out better on stretched hair, and I'm just tired of playing myself trying to do it on wet hair. Did I say braid and curl? I may have said braid and curl. I meant twist and curl. I'm doing a twist and curl. I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. This is gonna be my first time. This is my first time doing a twist and curl on stretched hair. I've done it on wet hair twice. It hasn't turned out good. So yeah, this mousse, I picked it because, I mean, it's Camille Rose. I feel like Camille Rose is known for just having like great products, great ingredients, very moisturizing. I'm doing this with a mousse because mousses dry fast. They aren't too heavy. So I feel like I'll be able to have like the bounce and the volume and the fluff that I'm looking for while still having a little bit of definition. First, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm gonna be using my favorite heat protectant from Africa's Best. It's called the Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. Wow. Leaves my hair like really bouncy and doesn't feel dry after blow drying. And obviously it's a heat protectant, so you know, protect our hair from the heat. Yeah, I just work it through with my hands, and I always make sure like that my ends are coated in it. All right, now it's applied all over my hair, and I'm just going to begin blow drying. To blow dry, I've talked about this in a few other videos. I love the Revlon brush attack. What is it? I don't know exactly what it's called, but everything that I use will be linked in the description box to check it out on my Amazon store. Literally, this cuts my blow drying time in half. What used to be an hour is now 20 to 30 minutes. So this, it's just, I really live by this blow dryer. I stand by this blow dryer. It's only $30. And it's the bomb. That's all I have to say. So what I really love about it is that I can detangle while I'm blow drying. So usually I'll start off detangling while the blow dryer is on, and then as it gets like easier to brush through, I'll like start to go slow with the heat on. I'm just demonstrating because you won't be able to hear me when I'm talking, but I mean when it's on, but that's what I do. So we're fully blown out now. I desperately need a trim, but we're not gonna talk about it. She is long, okay? Wow, as long as she's beautiful. Let's get right into it though. Don't really know what size I want to do them. Fairly, like, not like medium, maybe. Medium. Okay, I no longer have the package that my flexi rods came in, but I'm using like skinny small ones. This is them. Spray the mousse, maybe like 2 pumps. This is a new bottle, so and just smooth it over the hair. With mousse, you kind of want to hurry up because it'll start to revert quickly. And I did just put a lot, but now I'm twisting a little bit more than halfway. I'm gonna twist. See, oops, curling, taking the rod. I mean, it's gonna curl, so don't like panic, but just hurry up. I'm gonna start like at the end of one side and then wrap the hair along the rod. You see that? Boom. And because I have so much product on, like, it's pretty much laying down easily. I didn't really have to do anything extra. I'm just gonna now roll the twist over to where I laid the end down, so that when I'm rolling it up, it secures the end. I hope that made sense. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around like that and clip. This smells really bomb, by the way. Like, oh my God. Okay, don't panic. I'm gonna do another one, another walkthrough one, another demonstration. I'm gonna do 2 pumps to start. And smooth it along my hair. And then I'm gonna do the twist before it starts reverting crazy. A little bit more on my ends because they're a little bushy and I want it to lay flat on the rod. Okay, leaving this much hair out, starting at the end of one side and then wrapping the hair along the rod. You see how I didn't just wrap it like over itself in one spot? I spread it along the rod. Then when I'm rolling the twist up, I make my way over to where I laid the end down so that it goes over the end to make sure it's really secured. And then I'll do my little twisty method. And clip. Y'all, I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I really have no clue. I think this should be dry by the morning though. If not, I will be going to work with these in my head. I'm gonna throw a good old head wrap on and go on about my day. But I think they should be dry by tomorrow morning. I will be back. All right, it's the next day. I started taking it out a little bit just to see, you know. Let me show you guys what I do. We'll put a little bit of oil on your hands. My oil of choice is always jojoba oil. It just helps to reduce the frizz. Then I will unravel the twist in the opposite way that I twisted it so that it just comes loose easily. And then this is what I love about twists, because they really just be undoing themselves. Okay, boom, like that. And then I'll unravel again to find like a spot so that I can separate. And then I'll do a little wrap around my finger. This one, separate, wrap around. I think it's gonna be really bouncy. I like that it has movement already. All right, so again, unravel in the opposite direction just to make a little loose spot. Then begin to untwist. Okay, separate it. Separate, wrap. Now I'm gonna use my pick. For some reason, I'm just really impatient because this is like defined enough to where I could just wait and let it get bigger as the days go on, but I have a problem. I can't never wait. I want it right now. See that? You can kind of see the difference. Does the back look flat, y'all? I don't think so. So this is how I have it looking on day 1. I think I'm gonna come back and show you guys tomorrow just because I'm curious as well as what it's gonna look like. I think I'll probably just do a pineapple tonight. All right, I will be back on day 2. Mañana. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm back. It's day freaking 2. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I have to do this style more often. It looks so freaking good. I'm obsessed. I'm really happy with the results. I need y'all to try this. If you try it, drop a comment. If you're gonna try it, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think, if you're loving the curls as much as I am. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Love you guys. Bye.